My goal when I took over as CEO in August of 2012 was to take the company in a different strategic direction. The direction we embarked on was about quality over quantity, not production just for the sake of production. This is a cultural mindset where it wasn't about just getting ounces out of the ground, it was about having a meaningful return, margin, cash flow. When we set our guidance, we take that very seriously. When we meet our guidance, it underpins our credibility as operators. In fact, in 2013, we exceeded on the production end, we came in at the low end of the cost end, and we had a record year where we produced 2.6 million ounces.
Operational excellence is all about people and leadership. We spent an awful lot of time in Kinross recognizing the talent that we have, building on that talent, and then taking advantage of that expertise, that knowledge, that experience, and moving that around the organization. Take Fort Knox, for example. They're outperforming all expectations in the heap leach operation there. And as we can see in the third quarter of 2013, it was the best quarter that Fort Knox ever had on production performance in 16 years. If we look at Tasiast, the leadership at the Tasiast mine site now has come directly from our Fort Knox operation.
We identified $100 million of opportunity and cost savings that we began implementing and will carry forward on into 2014. Some areas that were identified were in the mine area in particular. We focused on our crusher strategy and our opportunities there to increase the throughput. In site services, we identified areas of opportunity for self-perform. They're reducing our contractor numbers, which had a huge impact on our overhead costs.
2013, like Fort Knox, was a production record at Paracatu.
A good example of continuous improvement was a team that we developed to look at recovery in Plant 2. The team was able to achieve recovery gains of more than 3% within 6 months' time. And this is what's helped us break records. The team here has done an excellent job defining things that can help us improve our performance, lower our costs, and increase production. It's full steam ahead at Paracatu for the foreseeable future.
Kinross is looking at a number of growth opportunities. To begin with, we just opened a new mine in Russia's Far East, Dvoinoye, a high-grade underground mine located approximately 95 kilometers from the Kupol infrastructure. It's a great example of what our team can do. It was built on time, on budget, and is the newest addition to our portfolio. We enter 2014 from a position of strength. 6 consecutive quarters of strong operational performance. Lower total sustaining costs due to financial discipline. Lower total capital spend, and a strong balance sheet that gives us financial flexibility. I think the market's noticing. As we achieve quarter after quarter of operational success, our credibility as operators gets stronger and stronger. It's been a tough year. Everyone's worked extremely hard, but I really feel we've taken the company in a new direction, and it's stronger, and it's more stable, and it's better prepared to withstand the volatility we've encountered in the last year.